Okay, we are live. Hello, everyone. We are continuing our episode of Never Give Up Your Dreams and Be the Doer of Your Dreams. We are in episode 117. So, actually, we talk about Dedet and I. How can we cancel? But it's already too late. How are you, Dad? I know you're not feeling well.
No, hi Michelle. I lost my voice, but I'm still here. I could not do my go live because I'm not really in my best self. But anyway, I'm here. I don't want to cancel this because we've been canceling this for many times.
Yeah. So yeah, we're continuing that today, but maybe we do a little short today.
Mm-hmm.
So hello everyone, my name is Michelle Hope, and I am currently residing in Spain. And how about you, Dad?
Yeah, my name is Dideth. I'm from Toronto, but originally from the Philippines, and I'm back. I just came back from Las Vegas, but not feeling well.
That's over vacation.
Yeah, too much.
Too much. So today we would love only to talk to everyone. We have a short live today. We just only wanted to know because I know there's so many people asking me about also our workshop and the insights of different business partners worldwide who are in our workshop. So I guess this is a quick insight for everyone who would love to know about the a business.
Mhm,
So about the business, when you are going uh, inside our website, you need to register your name and email address because we send you the link of the workshop. The workshop also is every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. PST time.
mhm,
So we do that to let other people know that this workshop is no cost. So you need only to watch those who are in the panelists. So people who are already inside the business and they have already getting their results and they sharing on how they get started. So the way that we show this showing it in our webinar in our workshop because they wanted to share their experience,
mhm,
right? I guess you can see them. Some of them are very professional. Like we have doctors, we have nurses, we have architects, um, consultants,
mhm,
and some others who are working in offices.
mhm,
So we have attorneys also, and you know we have also a civil engineer that they are also joining the business. So how did they join the business? On how they get started the business that they are working full time, right? So they sharing how they've been found the business online and
mhm,
how they make their due diligence to get more information, to investigate about the business and start their own online business. So some of them um have really great story, or we can a very inspiring story how they get started, because some of them are ordinary people who started with not a tech savvy. They didn't know about how to go so much online, how to manage a computer, but they are now really great doing the business.
mhm,
So, on the way that they are showing up to share their experience, because we know that there's so many people around the world who are also looking for another source of income. So when we talk about it, you're looking for something. You are looking for another plan B, right? So these people also started from that.
mhm,
That's why they are showing it to know you that they are real people.
mhm,
They are some of our business partners that sometimes um you can see them. I guess Marley, I've been there. One of our business partner and coach. I've been also in the webinar list, And we are true. Me and did it. Coming soon also. So you can see us also in the workshop. So we we share our story because we wanted to relate those people who are looking for another uh, business that they can start from the comfort of their own home. So
Mhm,
this is a great a workshop. So we just encourage everyone to watch it.
mhm.
Anything to add, that?
Yeah, so it is about our workshop. So I'm inviting, or we are inviting anyone who are interested to look into this web, I mean, this business. The workshop is a no it's a 90-minute workshop. It's no cost. It is just an explanation or a business about our business model. We explain, it is 90 minutes. First part is to explain about the business, how it works, and what is online business, and what you can get and what do you need to do. The second part, as what Michelle mentioned, it is the testimonials of other business partners that are already been successful in this business, how they start the business and why they join this business. As Michelle was saying, most people that join are professionals already. They're doctors, they're nurses, architects, and all other in they work in the corporate world. And why are they going into this venture even if they're already professionals? The reason for that is because they're looking for plan B. They don't want to work hard anymore. They're looking for more time for themselves and more time for their family, because their work is very busy. They have a hectic schedule. They don't have the time to do anything for their family, and this is one reason that they're looking for a sideline that they can start, so that they can escape the work in the corporate world and have that lifestyle that they can have when they are in their retirement years. And yeah, so if anyone that are looking for to have time flexibility and of course financial freedom, passive income, then check this out, because me and and Michelle are mentors, and we can help you how to start this online business, and we will be able to help you. You will be assigned a mentor and a coach while when you are joining. So the 90 minutes workshop is free. That is only to educate you, and if you like it and if you think that this is for you, then you can join us. And that's how we started in this business. That's all for me, Michelle.
Yes, and you have also opportunity to join in our private group on Facebook. So just let us know if you wanted to get more insights or more information about the business, because it's really helpful for you in order for you to start. So before you're going to start your business or your plan to start your own business, you have
Yeah,
an idea on how you can get started and what are the benefits of this business that can provide for you and for your family's future. So I guess that's all we can share for today. And don't forget, that's 5 p.m. PST time. So if you are living in the other side of the world, you can always catch the reply in our website. So once you get registered, we always send you a email that inform you the replay of the workshop. So I guess it's really great, and you never what do you call that? You have nothing to lose just to take
yes. Mm,
and start this. And 90 minutes is just nothing. While you're doing your chores or whatever you do, what you are listening, right? You can listen, and maybe some of their stories of the people who are there is also the same story as yours. So you have also that why and the same why that they are doing. So which is really good for you to resonate, and you can start your own too. So I guess that's all we can share for today, everyone, in this episode 117 of never give up your dreams and be the doer of your dreams. We are looking forward for more episodes. See you next week. And thank you that for coming up, even though you're not feeling well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for watching us.
Yeah. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.